Very good morning, and today is August 20th and Tuesday, which is FinNifty Expiry. So I am back from vacation. I thought I'll quickly do a video. In fact, today morning I did a live video as well, live stream later. So I wanted to quickly talk about the rationale behind the trades that I took today. So I was in losses on Friday. I know I did not do a video because I was at my hometown, and then I had some challenge with the internet and also a bit of a power, but that's all right. I lost some money. After the game, I must have not traded when I was on vacation. That's a good lesson learned. Next time I would not do that. However, yesterday I was driving back from Hyderabad to Bangalore, and then I did a monthly Nifty expiry, which is quite safer compared to intraday. Even if I had some glitches here and there, I would have probably, anyway, it was not a trade that I would usually monitor, right? So monthly trades is not equal to monitor. So probably that would be the ideal approach, but that's all right. So we will always learn from mistakes. All right. So FinNifty from morning opening is pretty much, other than this one little red candle, it's pretty much bullish from morning. This is on the 10 minutes chart right now. This is our net moving average, a simple moving average, not an exponential one. So this is showing a bit of a bullish in nature, and then even if let's say falls down, I would think this would take a support here. But right now I'm on this. 1 second, let me draw the lines. How has gone out? All right. Some of the linear regression right now, linear regression channel, which is 330. Let me try. I think it did not change much except some up moves here and there. But I think it's pretty much, as I said, I'm in the 10 minutes chart, and except the first candle, pretty much all the candles were showing a bit of a bullishness in nature, and very rarely, I saw one or two red candles, but then they did not really sustain. Maybe if I go back to 5 minutes chart, you might see one or two red candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is 7th red candle, not 8th red candle. So, however, on the 5 minutes linear regression channel, this is out of the channel, but then the probability doesn't seem to be so high. This is a bit blurred. Let's get back here. 0.73, and then this is 0.28. So, it probably may not be the right one. So, let's go to 10 minutes. 10 minutes actually showing about 80%, right, or 80% correlation rather. 15 minutes is actually showing about 86%. I'll stay with 15%, 15 minutes. So from this channel, what it shows is this most probable expiry for today is between 22,000 and then 23,320. This is the range. And then the most probable expiry would be about 23,150. And that's what the data shows. But yeah, anything can happen as the day progresses, right? So let me quickly take you through the open interest. Open interest at this point of time for FinNifty, there is a good amount of support at 23,000, which is 23,000. And you got to see puts were written pretty much 1.4 crores. I think might be anything above 1 crore is very difficult to break, but let's see. We never know. And you also see a lot of massive puts were written at 23,100. This is also looks quite stronger, and also there is some bit of a unwinding here. This is definitely last 5 minutes, and let's look at overall the day. Overall the day also, this from here the massive puts were written pretty much from the morning. I think that's definitely good news, and I hope FinNifty will not fall today. I hope. Let's see how the day would shape up. I think that's hope is always there. And so right now, my positions are, yeah, let's look at the positions here. And all right, so I'm at 23,000 PE. In fact, I did gain some money from the other PE positions, which are 23,950 PE. And also 22,900 PE, and then 22,850 PE, 22,800 PE. So this is how I moved these positions from here to here. And I think I'll mostly stay here. In case if there is a reversal, I'll have to make this as a straddle, which is right now 23,200 CE. And also the position size is pretty much negligible here. This is close to 1728, and then it is just 300. Take it as, let's say, 1800, 300. It's like 1:6. That's the calculation. And then, as I said, in case if I see some bit of a reversal, I might probably move positions here and there. That's the plan. I think when I look at MACD for 15 minutes, there is no signs of bearishness here. Pretty much all the histograms here were pretty much on the green side. But however, if I go to 10 minutes, there is some bit of a bearishness here. So I will toggle between these two for some time and then see how. Let's go to 5 minutes chart once and then see what is happening. 5 minutes chart definitely showing some bit of a bearishness and then the recovery here, but not recovery, some bit of a fall. So I will have to, there is fall there, but that's all right. So, but right now I'm actually doing 15 minutes, not 5 minutes. So I will blindly follow this for now and then see how the day would really shape up. So 5 minutes, in fact, it actually showing about 87% correlation. So mostly this would be the most probable. Having said that, these are all 80% accurate, right? So anything can happen as the day progresses, and intraday, as I've been saying, is quite volatile. And also the good news is today, in fact, it did cross today's top, which is about today's opening rather, 23,113, which is a good news. So, and also yesterday I did not monitor anything, which was a peaceful. I just wanted to drive peacefully. So I did not even watch what's happening in the Nifty or any of the indexes. So indices rather. So that's what I did yesterday. I was just focusing on driving, which we reached safely Bangalore yesterday. And, I just want to let you know, Bangalore STRR got opened. In fact, when I reached outskirts of Bangalore, it was showing close to 3 hours for a travel of about 60 minutes. And then I took STRR. I think it took 2 hours to reach my home. So yes, if you're in Bangalore, you can definitely use STRR from, I think Devanhalli outskirts to at least till Hoskote if you're living in this side of the world. All right, I think that's a quick input on the trading and also Bangalore updates. Have a great remaining day, and I will come later. Good evening, and time is at about 3:20, I think, and we are pretty much at the fag end of the day. I think the FinNifty overall did well, except there was a quick sell-off at about 3 o'clock. I think this was definitely the rush that usually happens towards the fag end of the day, which really happened today as well. So overall, I think the day went well, except this probably would have already managed, and this took away about 2 lakhs profits, existing profits rather, loss. So that's all right. So I was expecting it to want to really go above from here, which did not happen. And also I'm expecting it to want to close at 250 straddle, which did not happen. And eventually it also missed 23200 straddle. And then, it's it's pretty much getting into 23150 straddle, I think. So I'm not probably going to trade again there. Okay, all right. So I was at 23200 straddle. So the PE put a stop loss, which eventually got exited. So I think that's all right. So right now, while it is at 23158, but however the synthetic future is at about 23181. So which means that it's probably the closure is going to be not at the 23150 straddle, but definitely between 23150 and then 23200. I think that's where I think it's going to really head there. I think overall it's a good day, except as I said, I would have probably managed this a bit more elegantly, which fairly I did well. I think no regrets. And I think today, as you can see, one second, as you can see, FinNifty pretty much started at about 23067, and then there was until here. And I'm sorry, my bad. Sorry. FinNifty started about 23090, and then there was definitely some up move, and then until 3 o'clock, the up move really continued, and after that there was some bit of a sell-off. We can say it's profit booking or a bit of a manipulation for the options, whatever it is. But then it fell off from here, the peak it reached about 23249, and then the current did about 23155, I think. So close to 100 points drop in the last 30 minutes. And I think the expiry day, some of these surprises we can always expect. And as I said, I was expecting it's going to close at this point of time, but at this point, but I don't think that happened. As I said, overall, good day for me, except this particular move, as I said, took away about 2 lakhs or whatever. But otherwise, it's a great day. Let me go back to the positions that I have at this point of time. And yeah, as I said, FinNifty, I'm at 23200 CE. In fact, this is in losses. The reason was earlier I have exited when there was a stop loss hit when the market was moving. That's the reason. Again, I have to come back to this one. And I also have very small positions on Bank Nifty, not very massive positions. This is a very small capital of about 65 lakhs, I think. And I just wanted to test this for tomorrow. And Nifty, I have exited pretty much all the trades. And I think that's what the day looks like, about 8.2 lakhs profit. And yeah, so Friday I had, as I said, I had the losses in Sensex. So I think next 1 or 2 days, I will really look at covering those losses so that I'll get on to the 30 lakhs. So target this month. And tomorrow, again, I do not know how Bank Nifty is going to really be. I might probably do Nifty trade tomorrow instead of Bank Nifty. I will close this as soon as the market opens tomorrow morning. And I'm guessing tomorrow it's going to be again bullish overall. Other than the fag end sell-off, I did not see a lot of surprises today, including, let's say, even if I go to Nifty, it's pretty much within the 15 minutes linear regression channel. So until unless it breaks tomorrow, which is about close to 95%, I would not be much worried. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is within the, again, 15 minutes linear regression channel. And again, this is also 91%. So tomorrow, if everything goes well, it would still expire above, let's say 50,000, 51,000, I think. Yeah, 51,000. That's the value right now. But then as the market opens tomorrow morning, things might change a little bit here and there. I think that's all from my side right now. Let me get on to go. I did some stocks as well. I did about 364 orders today. That includes some stocks and then also Bank Nifty, FinNifty on the one. So the number is a little higher, but that's all right. So I think that's all. That's all for today. And have a great remaining day. I think this is actually heading towards, synthetic future is still 23178, while this is actually falling to 23137. Right now, we just left it 2-3 minutes. All right, that's all. Have a great remaining day. And I think probably I'll end up at about 8.25 or whatever. And then, as I said, I'm going to really move these trades tomorrow. Probably I'll close this 8151400 CE and then make some profit out there. That's all that one trade that I will do before market gets closed. And this is 51400 CE. So I will exit that and then go to 500 CE. Check it just. And yeah, I think that this profit I'll capture straight away. I did capture, in fact. And where is back? Yeah. All right. I think this is a trade I'm going to stay for today. And tomorrow I'm expecting some bit of a bounce back. As I said, I still believe it's a profit booking later today because the markets have gone up quite significantly. In fact, I'm going to add one more P here so that in case if the market reverses tomorrow, I will be able to get some profits. I think I just did the trade, and let's see how the new trade looks like for Bank Nifty. All right, so Bank Nifty, as I said, I have added additional position here, and then I'll add one more. So I did one more position there, and this is going to have a bit of a. Yeah, all right. So I'm here right now. So let's see how the day would shape up tomorrow. As I said, I'm expecting a bullish day tomorrow, and I think that's all for now, and have a great remaining day, and then see you all tomorrow.